welcome. Today I'm going to be creating some heart coasters in time for Valentine's Day. Links to all the products I'm using are in the description. If the speed is too fast, just click on the instructional video for directions on how to slow it down. These are the coasters I'll be making. Let's get started. So to start, I decided to use this Pebeo relief to give myself a way to separate the heart and have different colors within the heart. In hindsight, it was a little messy. I actually thought that this would firm up and cure, but it doesn't. It does get tacky and kind of more gel-like, but it doesn't actually harden fully. It did still allow me the ability to separate my resin and do the different colors in the heart, but it was definitely a pain towards the end to remove that and then fill back in with some gold leaf. But I did go ahead and map that out, and then I mixed about 8 ounces of resin to start, and I separated that into 3 colors, a white, blue, and a clear with some glitter. And then I just randomly poured that into the sections that I had made on the heart. I was trying to do that at first, just pouring from the cup, but you can see to the right there was some bleed over. So I then switched over to the pipettes. It took a little longer to actually get the resin placed, but it also helped me to control the flow of the resin so that I didn't have so much bleed over and was able to keep that separation. So I just continue filling until all of the hearts are full, and then I will spritz the top with some isopropyl alcohol and allow it to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. As you'll notice, I only poured a thin layer of resin into the hearts to start. I'll go back over that after they cure with a full coating to fill the molds. Then I took the same colors I used in the heart and I filled those in on the middle of the holder, and then I just used some gold pigment resin on the sides, went over it with a heat gun quickly, and allowed it to cure. Now I'm coming back, sprayed it with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm just filling in the molds completely with clear resin. And again, allowing that to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. And then here I am demolding. The coaster holder was a little difficult to demold, but I was able to do so. And earlier I told you about the relief that I had put in. Again, I was able to get this out, but it is sped up quite a bit here. I probably spent a good hour taking that out of the 4 hearts that I made. But then I just went over it with some gold leaf and used a paintbrush to just go ahead and paint in those sections that I had just removed. I could have painted over the relief, which I tried doing. The problem was it was kind of spongy, and if I actually want to actually use these, I didn't feel comfortable leaving that. So I wanted to remove it to ensure that the coasters were actually usable. And then I just took a paintbrush and went around the edges of all of them and the middle of each. And here is the final product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.